Baby soldier. Okay, let's sing Baby Soldier. Oh, it's so pretty. Yep. Buffalo Soldier. So nice. So beautiful. So many leaves now. I don't think there's basketball in here.
We're sitting on a big wood and we just finished delivering some orders. My little assistant here, so kind, such a patient boy, a lovely baby boy. Careful, baby. We're resting here under the trees before we go to the barber shop for Carrie's haircut. A few days ago, I just celebrated my third Mother's Day this year, and it's a good thing to celebrate motherhood kasi it's a challenging role. You play a lot of roles, and it's not an easy feat. So it's nice to celebrate it, to remind ourselves that we're doing something good, beautiful. Sorry, don't go too far. Yes, I'm looking at you. And my boy is 2 years old and 2 years and 2 months old. So he's at the tail of his toddlerhood. In 10 months, he's going to turn 3 years old. And toddlers, I think, the toddler stage is around 1 year old, 1 year to 3 years. So malapit na kami. Oh no, malapit na kami mag-exit ng malapit na kami mag-exit sa toddlerhood. And I just wanted to document the last months of the toddler stage. I hope I documented more and became more specific kung ano yung mga joys, struggles, and challenges, and also yung beauties ng toddlerhood. But as you know, we toddler moms gets chaotic at times. And siguro yung pinaka-challenge ko for the toddler stage is, syempre, it's the beginning of the discipline na. So I'm not naturally a disciplinarian. It's really more of my husband. Pero because my husband's always, outside of our home, I'm usually the one left with Carrie. So it's challenging for me how to set boundaries, tell him what's good and no. I'm soft at hindi ako disciplinarian, but I know that it's needed, and especially yung first 5 years ng buhay ng bata. It's really the foundational years, so it's good to implement discipline as early as possible. Yung pinaka na-enjoy ko na part ng toddlerhood is teaching how to communicate, and he's very articulate for his age, I believe so. So, ang nakatulong sa akin na libro is yung Toddler Talking ata. I'll just link it below. And I'll put a photo up somewhere. And it really opened my eyes to ano talaga ang dapat i-focus natin in the toddler stage. Sometimes, we get ahead of ourselves and rush them to do flashcards, to memorize the alphabet and counting and all the academic stuff. But in toddlers, those are not bad things. Those are good things, but they're for the school age. But in toddlerhood, 1 to 3 years old, ang pinaka-focus daw natin dapat, and which I also implemented in raising my toddler, is to focus on interactive communication. So, teaching him everyday words, giving him as much as possible yung real life experiences para makita niya how things are used in context, kumbaga. So instead of just showing him a flashcard of an apple, I call him when I'm cutting apples. Kari, Nanay is cutting apples. Nanay loves eating apples. Do you like them? They're sweet. It's so red and it's so juicy. So just giving him context and teaching him how to narrate what happened, teaching him how to communicate his needs. Yun yung pinaka-important. Yun talaga focus na namin para anong nangyari? What happened? And then he will say, baby bumped his head. Why are you crying? And then he'd say, baby is angry, get angry because baby is hungry. So at least he knows how to tell what he needs. And then he'll say, and if he's quiet, I'll ask him, what's wrong? Is there something wrong? Why are you so quiet? Baby poo poo. Kari, don't go up there. Come. 10 months is still it's a short time, but it's a long time, especially for toddler stage na every day he learns something new. So I know that madami pang in store for the next 10 months. When you see your baby happy and thriving, you feel the proudest as a parent. You want to go to the barber shop now? Go to Uncle Barber now? Or you want to play more? Okay, I think we'll go to the barber shop now.
Me, and he said, scared of spider. He saw a spider. Oh no. Where's the spider? No. There. You're scared of the spider? I thought you're not afraid of anything.